Going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol VPOR right now, currently traded at 0028. You guys, a lot of requests over here about this one, and shout out to you. I think it's Jonathan Black, if I remember correctly, over on YouTube for all the great details and comments that you've been leaving, covering a wide range base. Taking a look here at the chart. We started following this one at the top right on the first. Okay. I said pulling back here for a day or so outside the upper Bollinger Band, 0035 question mark. And you guys didn't hit that quite yet. Might go sideways for a few days. I said this right here where my little mouse is. Might go sideways for a few days. If volume does not pick up, could tap 0035. Watch for a bounce off of the 004. You guys came down to that 10-day simple moving average, which is where I was watching for that bounce. You guys didn't get it. And I said volume needs to pick up here. And then on the 10th, 004 is a must hold. If not, tap 003. Depends on buying pressure. And then the last time that we took a look at this one was going to be on the 13th right here. Watch for a bounce off this area with buying to pick up. Support at 0035 and 29. Resistance at the 47 and 55. There is no other thing that you could say besides the selling needs to stop with VPOR. It can't be more blunt than this. I've said this in the previous videos. I'm going to say it again. People tend to disagree with me on certain things. That's fine. Everybody has their own opinions. I totally understand. I get that. But right here, if this is an indication of selling, I don't know what is. Yes, there is a big move up here, and yes, there's profit taking. But geez, I mean, when is it going to stop? I would have liked to see it level out up here around the 10-day simple moving average. It just didn't. I'm telling you right now, this 0029 is a must hold, or this thing will completely fall apart. The 10-day simple moving average right now is currently at the 0042, up here a little bit higher. But the 0029, if you look up here to the top left, the 0029 on this 30-day simple moving average right here, this 0029 is going to be a must hold. There is no way around that. I'm telling you, this is the last line of defense when it comes to this. It's 0029 is going to need to hold. If it doesn't, this thing will completely collapse. Just telling you my personal opinion. It will just completely collapse because there's nothing under it. There's one big candle bar here. It will, if it breaks that 0026, it'll go to 18 like in a flash. All right, so VPOR, that's what we're going to be watching for. Again, I appreciate you coming to me and voicing your comments. Very detailed comments, by the way. But I'm telling you guys how I look at it. 0029, I've told you guys before, just the buying, it just needs to pick up. It's just way too much selling here. 0029 is a must hold. I'm putting that right there. The must hold support. And then 0026, 0018. Resistance. It's a 36, 42, and 46. And the selling needs to stop. And that is what I'm going to be putting on this one. Like I said, it's just way too much. That 0029 is going to be such a critical point for this one. It's got to hold that 30-day simple moving average. That is normally the biggest line of support for any stock that I look at. And the way that I look at these technicals, that is a big area that must hold. So go ahead, as always, keep me updated. I watch for the bounce. I would like to see the bounce off this one. 0029, hopefully it starts turning green from here. It's very possible it could happen tomorrow. But again, if this thing starts trending down much lower and it breaks that 0024, 0026 area of support, if it breaks that, 0018 will come quick. Just keep me updated. VPOR, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate the support. If you have a hot stock that you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.